Na tuitiana na Onesmus Nzama ya Mangavana COG kwisila mwenekivila gavana wa Embu Martin Wambora niyiendee na Kuteta nundu wa Silikali kuselesya Mbesa Sya Kaunti Wambora easya kana kuselew'a kwa Mbesa isu nikutumite maundu ma uthukumi monza kwa vanene Kavindani kau Mangavana nimaweta meithiwa maivikiia ateti onthe ala makwitya usumbi na ula ukwithiwa atena mivango ya kwa ilia mutiuko maimweta wandani Joseph Kuteta na ilivote.
Silikali isya mutuko no siende na kuumia itina wa Silikali nene kuyiendee na kuselesya ilovia ile selite uvika Silikali ni uhuni kwena na mwenekivila wa Nzama ya Mangavana Martin Wambora.
The total fund owed to counties as of today is a colossal amount of 75.77 billion. 75,770 million. The continued delay in disbursement of these funds has interrupted service delivery in the counties.
Ingi Nzama iya Mangavana niende na kuweta kana mupea wa uwemita wende na kunika muno itina wakwitha vatalaisa wende na kuambata vala ikunia ya kilo 500 yotewa ngili monza yu.
We note with concern that in the last 1 month the fertilizer prices in Kenya have skyrocketed, with a 50 kg bag currently retailing at over Kenya shillings 7,000. The high cost of this critical farm input is not only a burden on the farmer, but the consumers to whom the burden is transferred to. In this regard, the Council of Governors urges the Minister of Agriculture, Livestock, Fisheries and Cooperatives to apply government subsidy and lift this burden from Kenyans. We propose that the ministry exempt fertilizer products from VAT and import duties and subsidize farm inputs by 50% in order to lower the prices.
Mainene maundu mokonania na nzava Kenya Nzama ini awetakana andu milioni 3 mwisoni wa kuwaoninza indi serikali itatite undu itona kumasiania na undu uu.
Currently, over 3.1 million people are food insecure in 24 counties, with over 360,000 people in emergency phase. However, I wish to acknowledge the initiative by the President for flagging off on 21st February 2022 in State House 24 trailers of relief supplies to the counties affected by the severe drought. The governors from the affected counties witnessed the flagging off. The drought situation has also continued to cause loss of livestock and livelihood of pastoralist communities. In order to contain these consequences of loss of livestock, we urge the Minister of Public Service, Gender, Senior Citizen and Special Programs, as well as development partners, to support counties to ensure provision of timely humanitarian livestock assistance and required response action.
Mangavana ani mawetakana kati wa alame kwenda kivila cha usumbi ni mesi ulote na vota na serikali siya mituuko maivikiia umetokini kuyimbilia na kutavya Kenya uwo.
To ensure that devolution is protected and service delivery is optimal in the counties, these priorities will be reduced to a devolution charter with the slogan Imalisha Ugatuzi Jenga Inchi. The charter shall be presented to all the presidential candidates for their endorsement and adoption into their manifestos. The Council of Governors will expose publicly any presidential candidate who will fail to sign the devolution charter.
Joseph Kuteta, Vlingi wa Mauvo.